And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 176. Let me show you how you can recolor a t-shirt. The way that I would do it is to copy it first, pressing Ctrl J. Then I use the quick selection tool. I use the first or second mode. Second is for adding. And a left click drag. Size doesn't really matter here, but you can adjust that right next to these three modes. At the top, currently it says 5 pixels. Let me hide my contextured text bar. And we already have a good selection. But here it has selected too much. We have parts of the background in it. We don't need that. So switch to the third mode, which is for subtracting. There's a little minus sign above the icon. I go over that. And if I release, it's gonna do some processing in the background. And whenever it gets rid of too much, I switch back to the second mode for adding. And I can also switch between these two modes by simply holding Alt. So when the adding mode is active and I hold Alt, the subtracting mode will be temporarily active and vice versa. So usually I keep it to the second mode right here and then I hold Alt when I fix these details. Here we need to add stuff. So second mode is needed, and it has selected way too much. We now have the entire white wall here on the left as part of our selection. We don't need that. So I hold Alt and I go over that. Depending on the contrast between what you want to select and the background, this gets easier or harder. You see that on the right side we were quickly done because the contrast is high, and here on the left where the white wall is, it takes us a little bit of work, but over time you've got your selection. Next step is to add a layer mask to this layer, so the one on top. Now we only have the t-shirt. Next up, open your adjustment layers. You have various options. I would advise just to use solid color. You make that red. It will recolor your entire canvas. To recolor only the shirt, we right click on the adjustment layer and use create clipping mask. So this will recolor only what we've added to our layer mask here, which is the shirt. But for now that doesn't look natural. So one more thing that we have to do is to change the blending mode for this color fill layer. Multiple options here. Darken, multiply, screen and overlay are the usual suspects that give you good results. So choose one of these. If you use darken and multiply, it makes also sense to go down with the opacity a little bit. And now if you want to recolor it, just double click on this color swatch of the color fill layer and you can recolor the shirt in real time. One more thing to add, you can see we've got a little bit of a problem here on the collar, so we haven't hit that perfectly. Therefore we have to switch back to this layer. Make sure the layer mask is active. Left click here on this black and white element. Then we use the brush tool. Adjust the size. And I've used a hardness of 100%, which gives me sharp edges. Currently black is active, and if you use black, you get rid of this color. So whenever you overpaint, use black. In our case, we want to add a color. So I flip it to white, and with white, I can add this color fill to my t-shirt. Let me fix the right hand side too. And we're good. This way I can recolor a t-shirt in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.